Hello everyone! Let us introduce you to one of the latest PowerAdSpy features, My Projects. With this update, you can build a dedicated list for your brand's competitors by adding your top competitors in one place. This way, keep track of what's working in your niche. Let's dive in and see how it works. First, head over to the PowerAdSpy project section and click on Add More Brand at the top right corner. Now, in the Brand Profile section, enter your brand name to create a list of your competitors. Simply enter your brand's URL and click Fetch. AI will do the rest by gathering your competitors, and just give it a second. Once the data loads, you'll see the potential competitors drop down. Simply tick the ones you want to add to your list, and their brand profiles will be saved. Want to include custom competitors? Click the Custom button to add any by name and URL. It's that simple. Now you have a custom-built space with all your key competitors' lists. In the Monitoring Status section, you can easily toggle ad tracking on or off for each competitor, giving you full control over when and what to observe. You'll also see the target countries and platforms where their ads are running. At the top, there's a handy target country filter. Just pick your preferred region from the drop-down. Now, let's say you want to dive into Facebook ads from your competitors. Simply select Facebook as the platform, and voila! All their ads are neatly organized in one place, ready for deep analysis. And that's how effortlessly you can build and manage your competitor list using the Projects feature in PowerAdSpy. Hit the like button and stay tuned for more tutorials.